Hey everyone, so I replaced the turn signal bulbs with LEDs in this 99 Escalade, and of course I'm getting the Hyperflash issue. So they make LED bulbs that are pre-wired with a resistor to fix it, but I pulled the flasher, the old flasher out. I bought this one. This is a new flasher that says it's actually made for LEDs and will stop Hyperflash. That'd be nice. It'll save me a lot of work. You see, it's got the same pin configuration. It's a little different. This has a locking tab, which I had to pull off. So if you want to replace your flasher, I'll show you where it goes, and we'll put this one in. So this should be the same on OBS trucks, Yukons, Tahoes, Suburbans, up until 2000, 2001. So you see the pins? That's where it goes. It just fits right there. Now this tab, this does not have a tab. But before we address that, well, yeah, I'm gonna put some tape on that. I'm not that confident that's gonna hold. I'll put some electrical tape right there and right there just to grab it. But let's see. Let me grab the keys. I can only test one side because I haven't replaced the sockets that are all rusty yet, but let's see. Look at, well, I'm actually genuinely surprised. It works. Well, that saves a lot of time. So you can replace just, there they are. You can replace just the flasher. Well, wish I had known that on my Suburban. Would have saved me a bit. I put the old one back in the box and marked it. Don't know when I'll have the use for it, but I save all that old electrical stuff. You never know. Emergency situation. So last thing I'm gonna do is take some electrical tape and put it on that. I don't want it falling out when the truck's being driven. So I'm just going around to where this tab on the side, can you see that? See that tab right there? I'm just gonna tape this down to the tab. It doesn't require much, it's in there, but you know, a little bit of extra, hopefully the electrical tape holds. But you know, I don't know what you'd be doing that was gonna knock this thing out. So that should hopefully address it. Okay, so that actually worked. I'm very happy with that. So if you're gonna change your flasher in your late 80s to 99 OBS 1500 series, or your, I guess it would probably be the same with the 2500 and 3500s up till about 2000, and your Tahoes, Suburbans, Yukons, and Escalades, that should be how you replace your flasher for LED bulbs, and it worked. I will post a link in the description that says which flasher I put in. Now, it won't be the same for every one of those trucks. I can't guarantee that. But it was the same for Yukons, Escalades, probably Tahoes as well. All right. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe. And as always, don't be intimidated. Just go out, get busy. Take care.